أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. Dear esteemed guests of our 8th Holy Imam, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. On behalf of the Management Committee, I would like to extend our felicitations to all mu'mineen on this grand day. And what better way to begin the announcements than to inform you all of the following 2 engagements. It gives me great pleasure on behalf of the Management Committee of MKSI Leicester to announce the engagement of Anar, daughter of Brother Barkat and Sister Maimuna Walji of Leicester, to Azim, son of Brother Afsar Ali and Sister Zahra Banu Ghulam Ali of Peterborough. Allahumma salli ala Muhammadin wa ali Muhammad wa ajal. Equally, it gives me great pleasure on behalf of the Management Committee to announce the engagement of Sabiha, daughter of Brother Musaddiq and Sister Naila Jafar of Stanmore, London, to Abbas, son of Brother Qazim Ali and Sister Zakira Alidina of Leicester. The Management Committee extends its congratulations to the respective families and wishes both couples a blessed union. Ameen. I also have another announcement regarding a union, although somewhat different, and that is to inform our community members that through the diligent work of the former Management Committee, through their mandate, they, by the grace of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, negotiated the extension of our resident alim's contract for a further 12 months. His term will therefore end on 31st of December 2022. On that note, I would like to thank the previous MC for their efforts in securing the services of Sheikh Anwar Jafar, and would like to take this opportunity to also thank Sheikh Anwar for his support and dedication towards our community. And inshallah, we pray for his tawfiq to continue to serve our Jamaat needs. Ameen. Salawat. And finally, the last one. The MC and Sharikatul Husayn Saturday Workshop have organized a post-Eid barbecue picnic for the community taking place this Sunday, the 27th of June at Masjid al-Husayn, starting at Zohar time. This event will be an opportunity for the community to come together and a chance to meet and greet the new MC team. The Sayyida Zainab Garden will be open for the children, and there will be designated outdoor seating for both ladies and gents for the barbecue and an ice cream van for all to enjoy. There will also be a surprise activity for the children, which for now will be kept a secret. This event will be in accordance with COVID guidance, and please follow the instructions of the volunteers on the day. Inshallah, we look forward to meeting you all on Sunday, and of course, we pray that the British weather is on our side. Thank you. Bar Muhammadin wa ali Muhammad salawat. Allahumma salli ala Muhammadin wa ali